Little Chewy out here, his first time to come out to the obstacle course area, and I just walked him around, let him see everything. So I'll just see if I can't encourage him to come with me here and step up on this bridge. There, good boy. There you go. Yeah, it's a little spooky. Makes some noises for him. I'll just let him have a step here. Ooh. And the last thing we want to do is have him bolt forward. Ooh, get scared. Think he should run through it. That's why I'm a big advocate of take a step, stop and think. Love on him. Maybe back up a step. There. And back up a step. There. So it's not always dead ahead. There. And back him up a step. He doesn't know how to back up very good yet, but there we go. We'll get there. Ooh, with his bridges back in the barnyard. There you go. Well, that's just no for you, is it, Chewy? Hmm? Ooh, there. That's the first time he's ever seen the little one there. There. We'll just kind of let him see some things that he's kind of used to. Can you get up on this big one? Here. Okay. There you go. Good boy. See if I can stop. Oh, I was going to try to stop just the front feet, but that's okay. There you go. There you go. Ooh. Good. Some here. Ooh, there. So what I like to do here when they get their front feet up is kind of back them off on something they're having a little trouble with, so he can kind of start to get in his mind where his height and reach is for the fronts. There. And that builds his confidence that he can put his hinds up there too. Good. Then again, I hold him short. There. One step, stop and think. And this beam here is only about 16 inches wide. There. It's a little tougher. Come on. There. I'll just kind of let him have that. When he feels that sponginess, he may startle. That's okay. And this isn't a you have to go forward kind of a drill. It's show me you can overcome your fear. Good. Now he just touched it with his foot. He wants to explore it with his nose. And right there, I'll just let him back up a couple steps. There. And kind of gather his wits and bring him forward. There, he's stepping on it. If he wants to explore it with his nose, I'll let him. I'll just back him away again. Let him gather his wits. Here we go. There. I like the try. He's not allowed to come over here. Keep in mind that just 14 days ago, the horse had never even had a halter on his head. There. And right here, that's good effort. We'll just back him spooky for him. So I made a wide enough gap that he can get through here without them touching him. But I want him to think, maybe I'm only allowed to come in here one step, stop, think, back up, stop, think, stop, and back. There, it's kind of rubbed up against his hind leg. There, he's okay. Right there, just don't get in a big tug of war. Let that rope slip through your hands. Turned off. So if he may have a little apprehension, but looky here, he's already kind of letting it rub his leg without major panic. He goes, ooh, good boy. We'll just get his bravery up here. Ooh, it's rubbing his hind leg. But see, I don't get in a tug-of-war with him. I let him go. There. There we go. There you go. Good. Okay, Kath. Ready? Remember, he's 14 months old. He's just learning how to handle himself with a human. And I'll just let him on out, tell him how smart he is. Okay, Kath. So we're going to come back to the mattress now. He's got a little bravery up on those noodles. We'll let him explore it with his nose if he wants to. There, I'll just encourage forward motion. Good, good boy. Right here, I was just going to say, ooh, if he'd have settled that foot, I'd have pet on him and then backed him off. But you can't blame the little guy for thinking this should be kind of abnormal. Good, good boy. Right here, I'll just go ahead and back him up. There. And let him get here towards me, though. There we go. Ooh. Good. He's really thinking. He's a little scared. That's okay. I'll reassure him here. Pinch his neck a little like that. There. I'll just back him up now. Good. Take him back here, let him gather his wits. Okay, Kat, for just a second. There. 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 Let him think. There we go. I'll just try to encourage him to come left a little. There you go. If he wants off, I let him off. Got her before. But it's not that much different than the one he's been playing on. Except this one has some rubber matting on it for traction. Just untrack him here. Come here. There you go. Good boy. Just got my rope. There you go. Ooh. Take a step, stop, and think. And again, when we get to the middle here, we're going to let him take a couple of steps. Ooh. And we don't want it to tilt back like that. There you go. I'm going to march him right up here. Ooh, there. That's what I was hoping for. But if he backs up, he's liable. There you go. If he wants back on, I'll let him. If he wants back on. Now, if he just wants to sniff that, explore it on his own, I'm fine with that. Just let him kind of explore that on his own like that. He got a foot wet. Just back him up here, let him think. .99% of the cases, that's true, because they may be tempted to jump across. But if he just wants to dink around there with his front feet, I'm fine with that. Right here, I'll just back him up now. Just tell him how brave that was. Pet him back here. Invite him back. There. Good boy. Okay, cat. We'll do that a couple more. And when he gets right about to his shoulders, that's going to be kind of a spooky spot. Back him a step, forward a step. There you go. Good boy. Ooh. Good boy. Don't be afraid to reach up and grab the cheek piece of their halter here. Good boy. I'll back him into it a step. Nice. And come forward. Nice. Okay, cat. Back yourself up. Back yourself up. Back yourself up here. Now come forward. Come forward. Back yourself up. Bring yourself forward. Let him explore it, and then just back him straight away and call it good.